Hello everyone! Today, we will create a program that applies Python indentation. Compare with and without indentation. What is Python indentation? So, Python indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line where in other programming languages. The indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important because Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. The number of space is up to you as a programmer. The most common uses 4, but it has to be at least 1. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code. So, we'll create two versions of the same Python program. So, the first one is with indentation. So, this is the example. And this is the output. Because the if statement checks if num is greater than 0, the line print the number is positive is indented under if, meaning it only runs if the condition is true. And the else block is also properly indented because it can run only if the condition is false. Proper indentation tells Python which lines belong together. And next is without indentation. So now, let's remove indentation and see what happens. And this is the result. Because Python uses indentation, spaces, or tabs to define blocks of code without indentation. Python doesn't know what belongs to the if or else block, that's why it gives an error.